Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to link Google Assistant to a power button on Motorola G15. Firstly, hop into settings, scroll a bit down and go into gestures. Now scroll a bit down once again and go into press and hold power button. Now you can either choose Digital Assistant, so Digital Assistant is going to be turned on after pressing and holding the power button, or Power Menu, which is obviously going to activate the power menu. If you would like to still access the power menu, even if you have chosen the Digital Assistant, all you have to do is press the power button, but just for longer. Yeah, or no? No, my bad. Not for longer, but for at the same time with the power up buttons, power up button and power menu, power button, yeah, power button and volume up button, volume up, not power button. My bad. Okay, so that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.